Hello everyone, I'm Christian and I would like to invite you to Gratitude Day, an event in which the community gathered together to support the community. So Gratitude Day is a fundraising event that has been organized amongst all of us, the facilitators, to support a dear friend of us, Marco, who is currently struggling with some health challenges. And these health challenges are not allowing him to work regularly. So Marco has a hernia and he's waiting for an operation. He's been waiting for a few months already. So we have asked permission to him to run this event and support him financially. Marco is not able to work regularly. He's not able to run his workshops and retreats and main activities, which involve playing the ditch, because this condition doesn't allow him to play or work for long hours. So even when Marco is having this operation in about a couple of months, he won't be able to work for even 2 or 3 more months. So he's in a very sensitive situation at the moment. So all of us, all the facilitators who are facilitating at this event, we have decided to do this together and volunteer to bring together the community, especially people who have worked with Marco in the past. So we can all support someone who is always there for the community. Marco is someone who will meet people for coffee and to offer his time for free most of the time without monetizing his work. And that's why he's struggling at the moment. Marco is still doing some work, he's still working, but not to the full extent that he will normally work to support himself financially. So please join us on the 12th of January. And if you know anyone who has worked with Marco, we invite you to share about this event with him or her, because we want to support him back. So we have breathwork, yoga, mindfulness, sound journey, sound healing, and some delicious food provided as well on the day. So we're really looking forward to seeing you there. If you have any questions, please message us or contact us directly. Have a wonderful time.